Alrighty peeps, this is the start of my first full-length YouTube video. I am doing what's called the 2x4 challenge that was on another channel that I follow on YouTube. It's Bearded Viking Woodworks. We will link that below. Hit the subscribe button and the like button. Go check out his videos. Daniel is awesome. So we have our 2x4 here. We're going to be doing something I've never done before. It's going to be pretty intricate. It's going to be really small pieces. I'm not used to working with something like that. We're going to be using the bandsaw, the lathe, and the scroll saw quite a bit on this. And as I film, we'll save it, combine it, make it into one video. You guys have an awesome day.